G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. I've got some big news. LEGO prices are increasing, so stick around. Let's talk about it. Okay, so I'm going to bring you over to Jay's brick blog here where he has posted this today. As you can see, it is called LEGO prices increasing are coming, official statement from the LEGO group. We're going to go through this together, so we'll start with this bit here. So inflation is so far the word of 2022, and even here in our little LEGO enclave, it looks like we can no longer hide from it. Unless you live under a rock, you will notice that the cost of living has skyrocketed in the past few months due to the war in Ukraine, supply chain issues, labour cost increase, and rising interest rates. LEGO have officially come out with a statement that there will be some increases to LEGO sets taking in effect August and September of this year, 2022. So see below for an official statement from LEGO. So this is the official statement I'm reading now. So the current global economic challenges of increased raw material and operating costs are impacting many businesses. Putting consumers first is at heart of what we want to do as a company, and for some time we have absorbed these costs to keep pricing stable. However, as these costs have continued to rapidly rise, we have taken the decision to increase the price on some of our sets. So just keep that in mind. It is some, it's not all of the sets. This increase will come into effect in August and September. The increase will differ depending on the set, and prices will change on around a quarter of the portfolio. On some sets we will not alter prices. On other sets there will be a single digit increase, and on larger, more complex sets the percentage increase will be higher. So we will continue to work to ensure our products offer great value and recognise how important this is to our fans and everyone who loves our products. I will leave a link to this in the description as well, so if you guys want to have a read yourself. But prices will be changed on around 150 to 190 products. So of a total portfolio of around 600 products, depending on the country. So prices will not change on approximately 75% of the portfolio. So what obviously that means is that about 25% of the total sets that are currently available, that are currently on the market that you can buy right now, about 25% of them, they will be getting an increase. The other 75% will be stable and their prices will not change. So we have tried to ensure that our kids' ranges have the minimal impact from price rises. The rises range from set to set, and the prices of our larger, more complex adult sets will have slightly higher percentage increase. So what I get from that is obviously the larger sets, so like your Creator Expert, your Modulars, or your bigger ones like Ninjago City Gardens, for example, all of these bigger sets, they're going to be the ones that are hit the most with the most increase. So it does look like mostly the larger and adult focus sets will be impacted. Yep. So again, just reiterating what I just said there as well. So at this stage, it is not clear exactly what sets are impacted, although German news site Stonewalls has a partial list. I've got that open. We're going to have a look at it now, but I'll just scroll through just to make sure there's nothing else we want to cover in this article. So it's got here, from the article, it seems like it'll be a mixture of both old sets and new sets. What else have we got here? So an example of large LEGO sets would be like Cossa's The Modular Bookshop, which is insane when you think about it. So what can you do? I'm not going to go through any more of this because I've just covered the main stuff, but as I said, I'll leave a link for this in the description below so you can go through it yourself. But I want to take a look at this German site because they've actually pretty much confirmed, I think it was about 105 sets that will be getting an increase. Again, I will leave a link for this down below as well for you to look at yourself. Now, this part here, obviously in German, I haven't been able to I can't translate it myself, I can't read it, but luckily Google can. So I translated this earlier. So this part here, where I've highlighted, states that in the table below we have listed all the sets which we know so far that their price will increase from September 2022. There you'll find among things like the old recommended retail price and then the new one and the percentage price increase. So in total we know of 105 sets, yada yada yada. Pause it if you want to read it. So they have got some stuff here where you can filter by themes, etc. And then the price increase. So already you can see that some are like 13%, 11%, 13%. Like that's pretty big. 17% for this one down here. But I'm just going to do a quick scroll through, and if anything pops out, I'll just give that one a shout out. So you got some of the creator ones here. So we have a look at the Ghostbusters Ecto 1, for example. That's going to get roughly a 20% increase. The Ford Mustang is getting a 21% increase. Now that is a lot. That is a giant increase. The new Optimus Prime is on there. That's going to be getting a 6% increase. The Tumbler will be getting a 17% increase. What else we got here? Let's have a scroll through. A lot of the Harry Potter ones will be getting an increase as well of 13, 14%. Venom will be getting a 17% increase. Ninjago City Gardens will be getting a 17% increase. So it'll be nearly an extra $100 on top of what it's valued here in Australia already. So I don't know how everyone's going to react. Negatively, obviously. So we keep going. Dodge Charger, 20% increase. A few of the Technics are getting over 10% increase. And then the new Ferrari is getting a 13% increase. As I said, I'll leave a link for both these articles down below. But so this comes into effect on August and September of this year. So by looking at the percentage of the increase, it's higher than what I expected. I didn't think it'd be above 10%, to be honest with you. But the fact that some are actually above 20%, that's actually, ridiculous. So my advice would be is if any of these sets are on the list that you were thinking of buying, even if it's not just for investment purposes, even if it's just you want to buy it to build, I'd be buying it now before they're kicking in August, September. But anyway, let me know your thoughts down below, what you think of this news. Leave a like on the video, subscribe for more LEGO news, LEGO content, Pokemon card content, and I'll get them out daily. Try to get 2 out daily as well whenever I get the chance. And as I said, I'll leave these articles linked down below in the description for you. But anyway, we'll talk soon. Bye.